In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to buy things on Shopee. Buying items online has never been easier, and Shopee provides a user-friendly platform that offers a wide variety of products. Let's dive into the simple steps you'll need to follow. First, you'll want to start by going to the Shopee website or app. Whether you're accessing Shopee from your computer or your phone, you'll love its user-friendly interface. Once you're there, you can take a moment to explore the home page before we move on to the next step. Next, let's select a category that you're interested in. Shopee offers a range of categories such as electronics, apparel, home goods, and more. For example, if you're in the market for some new clothes, you would click on the women's apparel category. This will lead you to a page full of exciting options. Once you've chosen your category, it's time to select the items you want to purchase. Let's say you're shopping for a dress. Scroll through the available items, and when you find something that catches your eye, click on the item to view more details. Take a moment to check the product description, reviews, and ratings to ensure it meets your expectations. Now that you've decided on the item you'd like to buy, you can choose your preferred color. Shopee usually provides a selection of colors for each product, allowing you to personalize your purchase based on your taste and style. With the colors selected, it's time to choose the size and add the quantity. If you're purchasing clothing, ensure that you select the correct size. You can usually find a size guide available on the product page if you need additional information. Once you've made your decisions, add the desired quantity and you're all set to proceed. Now that your item is ready, click on the Buy Now button. This action will direct you to your shopping cart where you can review your chosen items one final time. Once satisfied, click on Checkout to move to the payment process. Here you'll select the method of payment. Shopee offers multiple payment options from credit cards to digital wallets. Click on Change if you wish to select a different payment method. Before placing your order, take a moment to see if there are any available vouchers. Sometimes you might find discounts that can reduce your total cost. So this is definitely worth checking out. And finally, when everything looks good, click on Place Order. You'll receive a confirmation of your purchase, and that's it. You've successfully bought an item on Shopee. With these straightforward steps, you're now ready to enjoy a smooth and convenient shopping experience on Shopee. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping!